Welcome to my Sedam Techie channel. Hope you all doing well. So today I'm going to explain you how to hide a share folder and how to map a share folder. Okay. So one thing we have to remember. So whenever you configure any settings on a folder level, like if you configure any security settings or if you configure any permissions on the share folder, so you need to make sure that you don't move that folder to any other location, or else it will be losing its settings whatever you have configured on it. Okay, now let's start the class. So here we are present on the server. So I have currently only one volume. So if I want to hide this folder, so I'm giving name hide folder. No, you don't have, you can give any name. So I'm just to make you understand easily, I'm giving this name. Go to properties, click on sharing, click on advanced sharing, and select the option share this folder. So you can see the folder name, right? Now use dollar symbol. At the end, at the end of the name, you have to give dollar symbol and click on apply and click on OK. Okay, now this folder is hidden. Once you enter the dollar symbol at the end of the name, this folder will be hidden. Click on, like if you want to give permissions, you can add anyone. So I will add, so I have a test user. If I type everyone and give full read and write permissions, so anyone can access that folder and they can modify the folder content. Okay, so I don't want that, so I have one user. So test one, click on OK. I'm giving him only read permissions here. So share. Okay, this is the this is the path. This is the host name of the server, and this is the folder name. So I will try to access it. If you observe here, I can see other share folders, net login, roaming, share permissions, sys volume folder. But I am not seeing the folder which I have created because it isn't hidden. But if you know the folder name, you can type it here. So you have to mention dollar symbol again and press enter. So you are able to open that folder. Okay. So this is how you create a hidden folder. So let me see what are the contents do we have here. So here I have four folders. One is roaming, net logon, and share permissions and sys volume. So today I'm going to show you how to map a folder on your machine. So go to this PC machine, this PC. Now, sorry, now click on computer. Now here you can see, click on map network drive. Click on it. If you know the path, type it. Or else what you can do is, you can type it here. So I want to map this folder. I will paste the path. So here reconnect at sign in. So what does it mean is, so whenever you log in, so it will connect to that shared folder automatically. So you don't have to type the path and open the folder every time. Click on finish. So when you click on this PC, you can find this folder as a volume. So it is also showing as a local volume, but it is a map drive. So you can see the icon difference. Okay. So this is how you map a share folder. So thank you for watching guys. In next class, I'm going to explain you difference between type of users.